What are you doing today, Brody?
Spinning my wheels.
Spinning your wheels? Okay. Here, let me fix your skid mat. Come around. You in mountain gear? Hey, are you in mountain gear?
Yes.
Are you using yeah. Hey, try using high-speed gear.
High-speed?
Yeah, just try it. She's going. Pin it. Sorry. Sorry, use the first gear. Use mountain gear. Use mountain gear. Do it again. Redo. Yeah, right, hey, right on, buddy. That was great, just great burnouts. I love to see that kind of stuff. Keep it up.
Okay.
Thumbs up.
Wow.
All right. You been painting?
Yes, look.
Boop, boop. You happy?
Yeah.
Oh, you painted that wood over there. Oh, okay. Do another spinaroo. That looks so fun.
What about we go and see he has painted a thing? What about we go and see
your paintings?
Yeah, let's go.
Well, no, I'm doing something else. Okay. Sorry. What are you doing today, Brody?
Spinning my wheels.
Spinning your wheels? Okay.